let's pick some pumpkins, Louisa.
Making pumpkin and dark chocolate scones from the recipe book Winter Wonders by Phillipa Cameron. For this recipe, we will need self-raising flour, wholemeal flour, dark chocolate, eggs, cinnamon, nutmeg, butter, and brown sugar. And the star of the show is cooked mashed pumpkins. First, we need 3 cups of self-raising flour. Next, we need 3/4 of a cup of wholemeal flour. Next, we need 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Next, we need 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. That's enough. Next, we need to cut roughly 150 grams of chocolate. Next, we need to put the chocolate into the bowl. And give everything a good mix. Hand. Next, we need to crack an egg into a bowl.
That was perfect.
Next, we need 75 grams of melted butter.
Oh, 94. So.
Next, we'll add the butter and add it into the egg. Next, we need to add 1 cup of cooked mashed pumpkin.
Yeah. I don't even know if we have enough actually.
We will.
Look, push the spoon.
Pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture and gently mix it. Then pour half a cup of milk into the bowl. Add the milk a little bit at a time.
think we need more than that. Mix it until it forms into a dough. Next, turn the dough onto a floured mat. Oh, it's heavy. What do we do? Magically that. Come on, guys, get out. It's like dog poop.
Yeah.
You'd say.
It is the colour. That is really sticky. Fine, your hand. Move it on top. Fine. Next, we need to cut into 12 pieces like a pizza.
Right.
Now we need to put it in a preheated oven in 180 degrees to 15 to 20 minutes. Now that they're cooked, we are going to glaze them with apricot jam.
Let's have a taste of our yummy pumpkin and dark chocolate scones. This is a great way to use your left out carved pumpkins from Halloween. This is it for 5